When you're making LiveKit agents, you may want to have them dynamically change their visual output based on function calls. So I put together a demo to show that, and then after that, I'll take you through the code behind it. So let's just start a meeting to talk to the agent. Go ahead and join the room and call the agent.
Hey there, I'm Goku. How can I help you today?
Hey dude, go Super Saiyan.
All right, I'm going Super Saiyan. You can feel the power surging. What's next?
Okay, go back to normal.
I'm back to normal now. That was
Yeah,
quite
cool,
a run.
Cool. All right, I'll see ya. So that was the Goku agent, and how that works is you could see that there's really only three visuals going on there. You have the original Goku, and then the animation of him charging up, and then the Goku Super Saiyan. There's only two function calls involved here. One's a power up and one's a power down. So let's take a look at that code. Let's jump in here. All right, so here's the Goku agent file, and I took this from the VAD real-time example in the LiveKit agents repo. How this works is we have the that Goku image here, and we just we break that down into a static frame, and we set that static frame, and this line's important. I'll get to that later. And then we convert our Goku Super Saiyan image, and then we take a GIF and we break that down frame by frame and store the frames to be used later. We use this function called send dynamic video frames, and what that does is when the agent runs, it's continuously going through this while loop to check for the static frame, and if the static frame is not none, so it has a value, then it shows the static frame. So it'll show the Goku or Goku Super Saiyan image. Otherwise, if it's set to none, then it'll iterate through those frames to show you the GIF animation that we broke down. And this uses the OpenAI Realtime model with the verse voice. And here's the power up agent function. So that just calls the static frame variable and sets it to none. So if you want to power up, you're going to set it to none, and when it's set to none, then it'll go through these GIF frames and display those GIF frames. And it waits 3 seconds, so it lets those GIF frames go for 3 seconds, and then it goes back to the static frame, but this time we set it to the Super Saiyan image. So you get that kind of, it's corny because it's not, I could do better with the visuals and fitting the image with size and everything and quality, but you get the point. And then the power down, it just takes the static frame and sets it to the original image. And other than that, the main piece would be here, where it just sets up the video output and calls that send dynamic video frames function. So yeah, pretty fun to play around with that. You can imagine what more you can do. If you're pretty creative, you can do a lot. But yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer anything, or join my Discord. You can hop in there, hang out, ask me anything there as well. So yeah, cool. See ya.